Hi, I'm Stephen Webster. I'd like to welcome you to 2 and 94 Fitzroy Road in Rivervale. This modern apartment is bright and breezy, plus it presents like it was built yesterday. So all you have to do is move the furniture in. And we're in a cul-de-sac just off the family-friendly Copley Park, which means you're a 10-minute walk to the river and a 30-minute walk to the Perth Stadium. So come on in and enjoy the tour. Hi, welcome back. Hope you've enjoyed your tour of 2 and 94 Fitzroy Road in Rivervale. As you can see, it's as neat as a pin, and the location is one of the premium cul-de-sacs of Rivervale. For more details about the property, please call my mobile. And as you know, the next viewing time is on the Burke's website.